Meaning of hypodermic syringe.
Hypodermic syringe.
Hypodermic syringe.
Hypodermic syringe.
Hypodermic syringe. A hypodermic syringe is a medical tool used to inject fluids into the body or extract them from it. It consists of a hollow needle connected to a barrel-shaped container which can be filled with medication or other fluids. When the needle is inserted into the skin, the fluid can then be injected into the body. Hypodermic syringes are commonly used for vaccinations, insulin injections, and administering medication. However, they can also be used for illegal drug use, which has led to concerns about their safety and potential for addiction.